Right now, we're with the owner of Witty's Seafood and Wings. How you doing?
I'm pretty good.
Let them know how you started and where the name Witty's came from.
The name Witty, that's my son's name. It was actually, the name of my truck was actually DKCCS, and that's my kids and grandkids' initials. And the kids, everybody thought it was kind of corny, so they said let's name it Witty's, and we named it Witty's after my son. There's a long story behind that name. I'll tell that story later. But how we started, I started in my kitchen at my house with one box of chicken, no money, box of chicken, a box of French fries. I used to have Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub come to my front door. I looked on TikTok the other day, and this lady was like, I'm at Witty Seafood and Wings. I just pulled up and it's a whole house. That's all we had was the house, the kitchen, a box of chicken, and we named it Witty's, and we here today.
So you had the box of chicken, did you had a dream along with that?
It was all a dream. I mean, we always had to hustle. That's all we did all my life. And Witty's changed my life because, like, I'm still outside hustling, but it's legal and it's all good now. Like, I feel like we kind of almost made it. Witty's, we've been around for 2 years now. We opened our brick-and-mortar 4505 Jonesboro Road on the 9th of October this year, and we're happy. I mean, we're proud. There's a long story behind it.
So you had the truck first and then the brick-and-mortar?
I've had the truck now for 2 years. I just got the brick-and-mortar. The brick-and-mortar is not even open yet. It opens on October the 9th. If you drive by, they just put the sign up that we have construction going on the inside, and I mean, we're doing it the best we can. And Witty's is, I mean, you can remember the name because we're gonna franchise. We're gonna be everywhere. We're gonna be in New York. We're gonna be in Maryland. We're gonna be in Miami. We're gonna be everywhere. We're gonna franchise it. People are gonna know the name Witty's with a very good cause behind it. We're gonna be known for just like KFC and all the other chicken places in the world.
So why did you even want to get a brick-and-mortar?
Well, brick-and-mortar, when you have a food truck, a lot of people don't know, you have to have a what they call a commissary kitchen. So you end up paying just to go prep, and most food truck owners, to keep it 100, which you don't even go there and prep. So you paying $1,500, $2,000 just to have that. So I figured I might as well have a brick-and-mortar, and then I don't need the commissary kitchen, and we can make money from the brick-and-mortar and the food trucks and keep going. And another thing is, this is not our only food truck. My son was away for 2 years. While he was away, we have another truck. It's being built out now for him, and we need those. We would need a brick-and-mortar so that we can use the commissary for both trucks rather than us just having commissary kitchens all over Atlanta.
So right now we're on your daughter's truck. How that came about?
Well, my daughter worked with me. She worked with me for a whole year and a half, and she saved her money. She's 19. She was 19 at the time. She's 20 now. We found her truck on. She used to sell ice on my truck, and then we was like, well, let's get you a truck. And she saved her money. We found the truck on Facebook Marketplace for like $7,000. She saved the money. She bought the truck. I paid to build it out another $7,000. We got it wrapped. Everybody think it's a brand new truck. You know, we literally, our family got both businesses out the mud, really, and we gonna keep doing it that way.
Sometimes I be interviewing people and it's hard keeping staff, or it's hard involving family. So you're one of the few that has kept their family together in the business.
That's what this business is about. This business is about keeping my family out here doing what we know how to do. This is all we did all our life. So we just doing it the right way now. It's the Witty way. If you read my truck, it says where everything is done the Witty way. And the Witty also, what some people don't know, the name Witty, the word Witty means smart. So it's We're doing everything the smart way and keeping my family on the street, keeping us going. That's what we're doing.
That's What's up? I appreciate your time. Let them know where they can get in touch with you at.
Witty Seafood and Wings. We on Instagram. Witty's_seafood and wings. Our brick and mortar was at 4505 Jonesboro Road. I want everybody to show up for our grand opening October the 9th. We're gonna have the mayor of Forest Park there. We're gonna have city council there. It's gonna be a really, really big thing. Witty's is doing everything the Witty way.